Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what does the synovial membrane contains? So, if you see, synovial membrane contains two cells. That is, first we have synovial cell, which is A. Okay, synovial cell type A. Synovial cells are of two types, that is synovial cell type A and type B. Synovial cell type A will resemble the macrophages and it has the prominent organelle that is present in the synovial cell type A is mitochondria is the prominent organelle in synovial cell type A, and the function of synovial cell type A is phagocytosis is the function of synovial cell type A. Then we have synovial cell type B. Okay, in synovial cell type B, this synovial cell type B will resemble the fibroblast, and the prominent organelle which is present in synovial cell type B is endoplasmic reticulum is present in synovial cell type B. The function of synovial cell type B is it secretes the hyaluronic acid, and it also secretes the hyaluronic acid and protein complex of synovial fluid. So this is synovial cell type B.
thank you and thank you for watching.